In the previous video, we have seen how the SIFT, SIF, and also ORB are working in theoretical part. So in this example here, I will try to compare between ORB and also SIFT in terms of matching. And as you already know or might know that SIFT already, I have given an example for SIFT detection code. You can see it here. So I will not go through this one here. So now you can see the with the detection. So you can see the OB detection. You have to read the image, then convert it to grayscale without, no color images. It has to be color scale, and compute and detect. And as you can see, the detection here, the description will be a binary images. A binary descriptor. And this is for the draw. And here we need to let's see with the best match. Yeah, for instance, if it's binary, in the surf it's a binary. So for the distance calculation, we have to use norm Hamming. For the SIFT, we will use norm L2. And I will just run this code now here, and we'll see what's what will happen here. And it has to be mentioned that, it's worth to mention that the the SIFT is patent and also extensive, computation extensive and also expensive. And ORB it's light and also free. You can use it in your industrial project, but SIFT or SURF, it's not allowed to use it in a commercial projects. And let me just show you this examples here. You can see this is the SIFT for the first image, and this is the SIFT descriptor for the second image. And you can also see, if we see now if you compare this, you can see here, this is the key points detected. And in each image, now let me just close this, and we will see now. Did I close it? I will show you now. This is the template, the matching between these two images, and you can see it's still working. It should work. And this is the OP for this the first image, and the second one as well. No, this one here. You can see it has detected corners, and I will show you now the matching. Let me just close this. We will now compare the matching between the orb and also the SIFT. And this is the SIFT. Okay. And this is the orb. So as you can see here, it's the orb is still working perfectly. And if if I'm let's say working in a company or maybe a small company, I will not pay for SIFT. If you assume that you are many developers, so now you have to buy a license for each developer. But orb it's free to use, and I would recommend you to use orb. And I think that's it for today. And if you have any question, just drop a question in the comment below. I will definitely answer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.